aalis dito na hindi pa kayo nagsasample, di ba? Sample! 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 Singer to! Oh, singer to.
Pati siya.
Okay. Hindi kayo handa.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some cover share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twisted with the mold that I'm in.
Oh.
But things just get so crazy, living life is hard to do. And I would gladly hit the road, get up and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it will lead me back to you.
Oh.
Nangyayakapuro tayong dalawa, nakakahiya.
Nakakahiya kayo.
Hindi, pero
Tatandaan
syempre,
nyo na.
dito kakatabi kayo. Anong dapat nilang abangan sa inyo? Okay, yes, mga kapamilya, abangan niyo po ang kauna-unahan naming MMK episode ni Marlo. Bukas na po yan after Once Upon a Time.
Yes, kasama din po namin dito si Beda Inoval, Kyle Banson, Diego Loizaga, Josh Baculet, Sir Dominic Ochoa, Rochelle Barameda, Almira Mola, Nander Vera Perez, at Martes Samson. This is directed by Raz De La Torre.
Yes, and of course, be careful with my heart bago mag-showtime.
Oh, Almira
Ayan.
Mola
Oo,
kasama.
abangan niyo yung bukas.